Morning sunshine. Morning, Mr. Dexter.
Morning to you. Well, well, well. Where's my boy? Where is my boy, you son of a bitch? Okay. Wanna play tough? You got it, asshole. See that little girl over there everybody's so fond of? Well, my scientists tell me that this is what revs her up. Look at her now. Weak as a little kitten. Ow! Mr. Dexter, fuck off! Fuck! What the fuck kind of place you running here, Clive?
Hell, that ain't mine.
Jesus Christ, you...
That's Mrs. Cooper's.
Sick fuck! You killed my boy, didn't you?
Look, man, just tell him what he wants to know. Accidents happen in this jail all the time.
Hey, Mr. Dexter, come on. You go on about your business. I'll take care of this guy. Let's go.
I want my boy back, Clive.
I ain't let you down yet, have I? Go on. Yeah, it's gonna be you and me now.
God damn it. It's typical. Just typical. I'm on it!
Yeah, we'll do. Oh, that was just a Sarge. He looked very happy. Probably had a session, you know what I mean, huh? Anyway, I left the pistolas for you to pick up at the front desk. Oh, yeah, they are beauts. Actually, I'm thinking of using them for my son's birthday. Ah, yeah, 10 years old. Yeah, I tell you what, he's a big boy now, gonna take after his pop. And you know what? Big boys, they require big guns, that's right. All right, brother. Talk to you soon. Bye.
I don't normally complain, but it's every 30 minutes or so. It kept me up all night. And it's right before fair day, too. I'm trying to win a goldfish.
Those are Dexter Industry trucks. My hands are tied.
Oh, bullshit. I want to file a formal complaint. Why do they have to drive down Main Street anyway? They can take another road.
Sorry, Dustin, but you gotta take it up with City Hall.
Holy fuck!
We're taking over your town.
Who the fuck are you? This is my fucking town!
Let him know we're serious.
Ow! Don't shoot me! I'm the sheriff! Ah!
2. Give me intel on that.
Yes, sir.
Damn it.
Target will be able to get through this way.
What?
Come on, let's move out. We need to sweep the parking lots. Our window of opportunity is closing fast.
Checkpoint, setting up shop at 45 degrees southwest. Over.
Roger that, Rabbit. Get in position. We'll flush out the target. Over.
scalpel. With the hammer.
We shouldn't be out here, man. It's bad luck hunting your own.
Cool it. Brute force always prevails. I don't care how good this guy is. He's bound to slip up sooner or later.
It came from there. Go have a look.
Wait, I'll go find out. Not a playground!
Sheriff, do something!
Are you okay, my son?
Fucking move! You're a coward, Sheriff Skirky! I'm gonna shoot this son of a bitch!
Hold down!
Oh yeah, baby! You know who you're talking to? Skirky! Skirky, not jerky! Yeah!
Sheriff, do something!
Are you okay, my son?
Fucking move! You're a coward, Sheriff Skirky! I'm gonna shoot this son of a bitch!
Hold down!
Please, I can't die in a church.
Last time, where's Victoria?
Oh, go fuck yourself.